Welcome to 3734 Bluebird Canyon Road, located in the highly desirable Buena Creek area of Vista, California. This contemporary multi-level home has 4 large balconies, 1 small balcony, and 2 patio areas, totaling over 1,000 square feet of outdoor living. You'll find privacy and solitude surrounded by beautiful pine and eucalyptus trees, boulders, waterfalls, and ponds. You may feel like you're staying at the nearby Golden Door Resort and Spa. This lovely 3-story cedar home offers numerous windows, skylights, views, and light, creating the feeling of the outside being an extension of the home. The large living room has soaring ceilings and a spectacular floor-to-ceiling wood-burning fireplace. The gourmet kitchen is sure to be the gathering spot when friends and family come over. With a sit-down breakfast bar, granite counters, cherry wood cabinets, and stainless steel appliances, you'll enjoy listening to the waterfall stream while eating out on the balcony off the formal dining room. The comfortable family room has a large sliding glass door leading to an outdoor balcony. The very private master suite takes up the entire 3rd story and is away from the other bedrooms. It includes a private sunning view balcony and large master bath. The solid oak flooring, skylight, French door, large sliding glass doors, staircase, tower, expansive windows, views, and peekaboo view of the Pacific Ocean at Catalina Island makes this master suite design feel like a vacation paradise. The other bedrooms are open and airy and share a full bathroom. Bird lovers will enjoy listening to the many local birds in the area. There are equestrian, biking, and hiking trails just outside your front door. Here's your chance to experience country living, yet still be close to shopping, freeways, schools, restaurants, and much, much more. Located just 7 miles inland from the Pacific Ocean in northern San Diego County, the city of Vista has a perfect, mild Mediterranean climate. Residents enjoy a wide range of year-round outdoor activities in a setting of gentle rolling hills and pleasant rural surroundings. Call your agent and ask to set up an appointment.